really scared.
Why?
It's gonna catch. I'm really scared though.
You have to hold him.
You gotta hold it a little closer.
I'm really scared.
Don't let it light real fast in your face.
It's gonna light. I'm really scared. I'm trying to do it. No, just keep on doing it.
Come on, you can do it.
I'm gonna run and drop this one. I'm gonna slam this one and try to jump it. There goes. Run. Like that. I'm really scared.
Oh my gosh,
Hold it closer. It's never gonna light. Get the flashlight closer.
Oh, I saw it.
It's starting to.
I'm sorry. Are you serious?
I'm really scared.
Don't be scared.
I'm really
Stephanie. Stephanie.
Go ahead, go. Light the dang thing. Let's go.
I'm really scared. You're so stupid.
Destiny.
Destiny.
They're messing with you, babe.
I really thought it was coming.
They're messing with you, babe.